Hello everyone. We are discussing keyboard shortcuts of Microsoft Excel. We are here with 10 shortcuts which everyone should know who are working on Excel. Let us see how they work. Highlight a column, control space. Highlight a row, shift space. Hide a row, control 9. Or select some rows, hit control 9. Hide a column, control 0. Hit control shift L for using filters on your data set, like click anywhere in your data and hit control shift L. Filters will be put on your heading, which will work like any other normal filter. Like this, you can choose filters, number filters, greater than, less than, etc. You do not want to have these filters, press again control shift L. These filters will be removed. So from one place to another, like if you want to move this row at this place, system will not allow you to place that row, and there is an error message because there is already a record. So if you click shift and then drag your data, it will be allowed. Press shift, then drag, the data will be allowed to be shifted like this. Or you can drag once again, press shift, then drag, data will be shifted. Suppose your data set have some hidden cells like this. We hide this column and we want to select only the visible data. Then we hit Alt plus semicolon. Our visible data will be selected and the hidden data will not be selected. We can copy and paste this data at any other place. Hit Alt plus semicolon, copy this data, paste here. Only these columns will be pasted. There is no hidden column here. Hidden column was date column. So the date column is not pasted here. If you want to add date, current date with your data, you can press control and semicolon this way. Or you also want to add timestamp with this date, press spacebar and then control shift colon. Time will appear here. Yes. Press again control semicolon, space, control shift colon. Time and date. If you want to convert your data set into a table, then hit Control T. Select your data, and press Ctrl T. This will be converted into a table. This is your table. You can choose design of your choice. Have this table. You can add a total row with this, and you can do plenty of things with your data. If you want to make totals of these valued columns, press Alt equal to, hold Alt equal to. The order sum will automatically appear, and then hit enter. Total will be here. Now we're gonna see another magical formula called flash fill with the help of Control E. We learn this with an example, like we want email of all our sales manager which are on same pattern, like this. We fill only one. Everyone is on Gmail account, gmail.com, and then press Control E. The rest of work will be done by system. The Excel fills email account for all others. So you see the magical function of flash fill. If you want to show only the constant value out of your data set, select your data, then press F5, then press Alt SOX. Alt SOX. Now only the constant values are selected. You will see that these two cells which had formulas were not selected. You see, there are formulas in both these cells. So this is a shortcut to select constant values. Now we're gonna see